Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get Fortnite up and running on your iPhone or iOS device. Let's dive right into it. The first step is to grab your phone. Normally, you download an app from the App Store, but unfortunately, Fortnite isn't available there. Don't worry, though there's an easy workaround. We'll start by exiting the App Store, and the next thing we need to do is open up an internet browser. I'm going to use Safari here, but any browser will work. In the address bar, type xbox.com/play and hit enter. This will take you to the cloud gaming page where we can access Fortnite. From this page, you should see a list of games, and you'll want to select Fortnite. If it doesn't show up right away, use the search bar at the top to look up Fortnite. Once you found it, tap on the Get Ready to Play button. A screen will pop up explaining that we need to add the cloud gaming service to our home screen in order to play. To do that, click the share button at the bottom, scroll down, and tap Add to Home Screen. This will create an icon for cloud gaming on your phone's main menu. Hit Add in the top right corner to confirm. Now head back to your home screen, and you'll see a new app called Cloud Gaming. Tap it to open. Once inside, use the search bar again to find Fortnite. Select the game, and this time, you'll see a sign in button. Tap that and sign in using your Microsoft account. This could be an Outlook or Xbox account. After signing in, return to Fortnite and tap the play button. And just like that, you're all set. You can even rotate your phone sideways for full screen mode. Now you're ready to enter a match and enjoy Fortnite directly from your phone. That's all there is to it, folks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time.